Hi everyone, welcome to Speaker of Dreams. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful tools for personal growth, goal setting. Have you ever felt like you're just drifting through life without a clear direction? Setting goals can change that, and today, I'm going to show you how. What is goal setting? Goal setting is all about deciding what you want to achieve and planning the steps to get there. It gives you a clear focus and helps you stay motivated. Well, now let's talk about types of goals. There are short-term goals, like finishing a book, and long-term goals, like running a marathon. Both are important and serve different purposes. For example, a short-term goal might be to finish reading a book by the end of the week or to complete a project report by the end of the month. These goals are great for providing quick wins and building momentum. On the other hand, what is long-term goals? Long-term goals are targets set for the more distant future, usually several months, years, or even decades away. These goals are broader and more ambitious, guiding your overall direction in life. Examples include graduating from college, starting your own business, or running a marathon. Long-term goals require sustained effort and planning over a longer period. Now, what's the difference between these two? The key difference between the two is the time frame and scope. Short-term goals are about achieving immediate, smaller milestones, while long-term goals focus on larger, overarching achievements that shape your future. By setting both types of goals, you can create a balanced approach to personal and professional growth, ensuring you stay motivated with short-term successes while steadily working towards your bigger dreams. Now let's see about the SMART criteria. To set effective goals, use the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to lose weight," say, "I want to lose 10 pounds in 3 months." First, identify your goals. What do you truly want to achieve? Next, write them down. This makes them real. Then, create an action plan with specific steps and set deadlines. Finally, review your goals. Let's look at some famous examples of goal setting in action. Take Michael Jordan, widely regarded as one of the greatest basketball players ever, faced a significant setback early on. He was cut from his high school varsity team. Instead of giving up, Jordan set a clear goal: to become the best basketball player. Through relentless practice and determination, he not only achieved his goal but also went on to win 6 NBA championships and 5 MVP awards. Jordan's story shows that with clear goals and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle and achieve greatness. So, to recap, setting clear and achievable goals can transform your life. Start today by writing down one goal you want to achieve this month. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share your goals in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity tips and motivational content.